Hi everyone, this is Cody, W3AMG from BridgeCom Systems, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing and real-time setup and demo of the AnyTone 878 Plus plug-and-play package that we offer. Okay, so we got the package. I'm going to get out the unboxing knife and unbox this. There we go, so this should have absolutely everything we need to get started real quick here. So we got some paperwork. Shows what frequency it was on, a little bit of information about the package, how it's programmed. Then we've got kind of some quick start guides, information about it, about the hotspot. And there we go, put that aside. Then we have our programming cable, our Ethernet cable, so this will be used to plug in the DV Mega. And over here, we have the radio itself, so I'm going to set this aside for a minute. And open this up. Open up the radio. We've got some instruction manuals, AnyTone stickers. Then we have our access to BridgeCom University. So this is going to give us access to our course on BridgeCom University. It has over 80 videos in it right now with tutorials on how to program and use this. Now in this case, this is already pre-programmed, so we don't even have to do that. But if we want to check it out in the future, we certainly can. Here's the radio itself, get it out of the package. And inside of here, we have our USB programming cable. So this will work with CPS, works on Windows all the way back to Windows XP without a problem. Then here we have our micro USB charging cable for our Bluetooth push to talk button that we have here. Then a little strap for that, a Velcro strap. You can strap to your steering wheel, anything like that. You can pair up with Bluetooth with just about anything on this radio. And we have a belt clip. This is going to be for our battery. Here is the charging cable for the charging base. Really cool part about this charging base, you can charge either the radio and the battery, or the batteries separately. It works with both. And just a little wrist strap. You can attach that to the radio if you like. And finally, we have the antenna. What good would the radio be without an antenna? So put that on here. There we go. And then hopefully we have, there we go, I have a battery in there, and I think the rest is just packing material. Okay, we'll open up this battery real quick. Put that on the radio here. There we go, perfect. Set that aside. Now here is the DV Mega itself. So we're going to open it up. Pull the DV Mega out. Here it is. How cool is that? In here we have the power supply for it. It's just micro USB. I think it needs to be at least 1 or 2 amps. And then finally, last but not least, we have the antenna for it. So go ahead and attach the antenna to the top of the DV Mega here. There we go, perfect. Now we're going to take that Ethernet cable we had earlier and plug that into the DV Mega. So we can just plug that into the front, just like this. There we go. And gonna plug that into our wireless router. So here you can see our wireless router. Just gonna attach the Ethernet cord to the router, and then open up our power cord here. Plug that into the DV Mega. Once again, just micro USB, and plug that into power down here. There we go, so the DV Mega is on, powering up. So we'll power up the radio now. And keep in mind this is all set up, ready to go. Check that out, how cool is that? It's got my name and my call sign there, Cody, W3AMG. And there we go, so here is the radio, got all the different talk groups there, so we can switch between them. Yeah, that's awesome, we got everything in there that we want. So I'm going to go to the parent right here. I'll give this a second to boot up. Sometimes it takes a minute or so to boot up, but it should be all ready to go. And we'll give it a shot. Turn up the volume a little bit. There we go. We'll test this out. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is Kodi W3 AMG. And see, sometimes it gives us that beep. That just means we gotta let it boot up for a second more. There is just a slight boot up time when it connects to the server. Try it again here. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is Kodi W3 AMG. Trying out the AnyTone 878 plug and play package from BridgeCom. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is Kodi W3 AMG. Trying out the AnyTone 878 plug and play package from BridgeCom. There we go. How cool is that? It works. We'll try it out one more time here. This is Kodi W3 AMG. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Kodi W3 AMG. Testing, 1, 2, 3. There we go. That's pretty awesome. So this is all set up out of the box. Took us what? A couple minutes to set up. And there we go. There you have it. So if you want to get one of these, we have these available on our website. All we need from you is your call sign and DMR ID. We'll do all the setup for you, all the hard work. So we'll have links for that in the video description down below. Go check it out. So once again, I'm Kodi W3 AMG. Hope you enjoyed this video. 7-3.